Are you working in Excel sheet and you got a chance to delete some data? Like here you can see I have some data and I want to delete this. When I delete this data, it will be blank. But when I delete this data, you can see that here color and rest of the formatting is still present. To solve this issue, we can select the data which we want to delete and under Home tab, you will get an option to clear. Here it will ask you clear all, means you want to delete data along with formatting and all those things, or you just want to delete the contents. So here we want to delete everything, so we will select clear all. When you select clear all, everything will be cleared within a second.